Okay, we're going to do a cold start here this morning. She is nice and cold. I haven't turned it over probably in about a week. Got the choke, got about 2/3 out. She's in neutral. Emergency brakes on. 2 pumps. Fires right up. She's got the choke on. I like to keep it in there for at least, I don't know, about a minute or so, just so that she gets to a nice comfortable temperature. See oil pressure, temperature, obviously quite cold right at the moment. Alternator's charging. Fuel is about 1/8 of a tank at the moment on that particular tank. We do have the 2 tanks, both front and rear, as you can see there. Good stuff. Thanks.